Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate brand guidelines in Document360, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate brand guidelines in Document360, start by logging into your Document360 account. Navigate to the project where your brand guidelines are located. Click on the Settings option in the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, find and select User Management. Next, click on Roles and Permissions to set up specific access controls. Create a new role or edit an existing one to define the permissions related to brand guidelines. Assign this role to your team members who need to authenticate the guidelines. Now, go to the Documentation section in the project dashboard. Locate the brand guidelines document within the list of articles. Open the document you wish to authenticate. In the top right corner, click on the version option to see document history. Select the most recent version for review. Review the content to ensure it aligns with your latest brand standards. Once reviewed, click on the Publish button to make the document live. After publishing, return to the settings and select Approval Workflow. Set up an approval process for further validation of the document. Invite relevant stakeholders to review and approve the changes. Once approved, confirm the authentication by updating the version history. Regularly monitor the document to ensure ongoing compliance with brand guidelines. Make adjustments as necessary based on feedback and evolving brand needs. Document360 will now maintain the integrity of your brand guidelines through this authentication process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.